8 verses of Qur'an that will relax and comfort your heart. Number 1. And Allah would not punish them while they seek forgiveness. Number 2. He created the heavens and earth in truth and formed you and perfected your forms, and to Him is the final destination. Number 3. And whoever relies upon Allah, then He is sufficient for him. Indeed, Allah will accomplish His purpose. Allah has already set for everything a decreed extent. Number 4. My mercy encompasses all things. Number 5. The truth is from your Lord, so do not be among the doubters. Number 6. Allah does not burden a soul beyond that it can bear. Number 7. So verily with the hardship there is relief. Number 8. Say, O my servants who have transgressed against themselves by sinning, do not despair of the mercy of Allah. Indeed, Allah forgives all sins. Indeed, it is He who is forgiving, the Merciful. So trust Allah. Sometimes it's not the pain that makes us suffer. It is our own negative thoughts that make things seem even worse. Trust Allah, clear your mind and stay positive.